Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. This is Harsha and you are watching Minute to Fluent with Harsha. So today is day 14 and today's word of the day is insightful. Yes, we use insightful as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. In simple English, insightful means having a deep understanding or giving meaningful ideas. इन हिंदी इंसाइटफुल का मतलब होता है गहरी समझ रखने वाला व्यक्ति. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट सम सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड. थॉटफुल, perceptive and observant. These are the synonyms. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. She gave an insightful answer in the interview. That book is very insightful. Now here comes a smart trick to understand this word and to remember this word easily. Imagine someone says something simple to you, but it makes you think deeply. You feel like, wow, that's so deep point. So this is called insightful. Just remember simple trick. Deep thinking means insightful. Yes. Now, if you want to express this idea in different ways, here are some alternatives. Food for thought. That idea is food for thought. Think through. I'll need to think this through. Come up with. She came up with an insightful idea. So these will help you sound natural in conversation. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye bye, see you.